Hey guys, how you all doing tonight? I thought my throat's bothering me, so I just wanted to get some drinks or whatever. But I got cherry slushie. It looks so good. I've been drinking the milkshake, strawberry milkshake from Dairy Queen. It's really, really good. I hadn't had it before, but I had been drinking it. And then also, I got Oreo Blizzard. Okay. And I'm sure it's good, okay? Because it always is. Okay, that looks really good. I want to take a taste of that. Mmm. 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 That's really good. A slushy cherry. Oh, it's awesome. Anyways,